My name is Georgie Barrat. I'm a tech journalist and TV broadcaster, and I present Channel 5's The Gadget Show. But that's not the only thing I do. I also am a freelance journalist, and generally do lots of different jobs when it comes to, doing keynotes, doing written work, and speaking in schools like yours. So my talk at Tudor Hall is, first of all, looking at my career path, specifically looking at those years from once you finish university to then getting to the job that you sort of dream to have, because it always takes a little bit longer than what you want it to, and it always is a little bit more sort of complicated and not so much linear as what you thought. So yeah, I'm going to be speaking about that, and then I'll be speaking about some of the tech trends that I'm really excited by when it comes to the industry, and then finally I'll be speaking about some of the brilliant opportunities that are open to everybody, all the girls at this school, when it comes to working in technology, because there's lots of exciting stuff out there. So if you're a young person and you want to work in technology, I would say this to you: the world is your oyster, my friend. There are so many jobs out there. Actually, there's a current shortage of talent when it comes to people who are proficient with tech. So if you even have a tiny inclination, people will be biting your hand off to explore it further, to come and work with them, to join hackathons, to just get involved in any shape or form. So if you have that interest, go forth and pursue it, because there are so many opportunities out there, and honestly, the world will open up. There isn't a single industry that isn't affected by technology or needs people with digital literacy to come and work with them. So there's plenty of options and opportunities out there for you to choose from.